Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the basic greetings in German. In English we say Hallo. In German we say Hallo. In English we say Good morning. In German we say Guten Morgen. In English we say Good day. In German we say Guten Tag. Guten Tag. In English we say good evening. In German we say Guten Abend. Guten Abend. In English we say good night. In German we say Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Did you notice something? When you look at them, Gute Nacht doesn't have N in the Guten and others one all have N because Nacht is feminine and other all are masculine. That's why we don't use N in Gute Nacht. In English we say see you again. In German we say Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. In English we say please. In German we say bitte schön. Bitte schön. In English we say thank you. In German we say danke. Danke. In English we say thank you so much. In German we say vielen Dank. Vielen Dank. In English we say bye. In German we say tschüss. Tschüss.